three, let's go!
Shaw there, number 7. Give it to him. He is going to stretch out and get in for the touchdown. Amerson is lined up in the backfield. They give it to him, and he's in for the touchdown. Jonah going to run to his left. He might get in, and he is bumped out of bounds, and touchdown. Play action, pass over the middle. It's caught. Buck's going to score.
That is sophomore Amari Towns from sophomore Jonah Winston.
Looks to the end zone. Trying to throw, and it's caught, and that's a touchdown.
That is Freddie Dunson.
Our kids handled it well. Nobody was upset or, panicking at halftime. We just come out, execute, do what we do, and, it was a good response by our kids. Our kids fought. They were good at halftime. They knew what we needed to do and came out and executed exactly how we wanted to execute it.